Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify side payouts to bank account detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Shopify side payouts to your bank account, start by logging into your Shopify admin page. Navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, select payments. Under the payments section, locate and click on Shopify payments. Here, you will find your current payout balance. To proceed, click on the Payouts tab. This tab will display detailed information about your earnings and recent payouts. Review your current available balance to ensure you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Next, click on the Transfer Funds option. You will be prompted to choose your bank account from the drop-down menu. If you have not yet linked a bank account, select Add Bank Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank account details accurately. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payouts tab. Select your bank account and specify the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the desired amount, click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been received. Keep in mind that it may take several business days for your funds to appear in your bank account. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Payouts tab. This process allows you to easily manage your earnings directly from Shopify to your bank account. For any issues, consider checking the Shopify Help Center for more assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process. Always double-check your bank details to avoid any delays in receiving your funds. Stay informed about any transaction fees associated with your payouts. With these instructions, you'll be able to withdraw your Shopify side payouts with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.